Welcome to the 5-acre Northwest Wood. Today I'm walking around to check out the damage from the latest storms. We've had a lot of wind, snow, ice, and lots of rain. And the rain has soaked the ground and caused several trees to go over, lots of branches down from the wind. Our property has some springs that bubble up from underground. Some of the springs are 8 inches in diameter, and the water just bubbles up beautifully. I really like to watch the bubbles. That's my grandson's old treehouse. Hasn't been used in years. Thanks for walking along with me today in the 5-acre Northwest Wood. Catch you next time. Subscribe if you haven't, and click on the thumbs up. Give a comment too. I would appreciate it. Bye-bye.